TacoTunes' innovative subwoofer enclosure is a game-changer for your 2022-plus hybrid Toyota Tundra. The custom-molded design is form-fit to the rear wall of your Tundra to ensure a perfect fit that does not interfere with any moving parts. Additionally, our seat spacer system provides the maximum amount of subwoofer options and airspace for unmatched sound quality and output volume. More airspace equates to high-quality sound and more bass output. Our subwoofer box offers twice the airspace of standard MDF boxes, delivering a massive bass boost in sound quality and output levels for your Toyota Tundra. You don't have to settle for shallow mount subwoofers. The additional mounting depth of our subwoofer enclosure allows you to utilize a wider range of full-size 10-inch subwoofers. Additionally, the larger enclosure will accommodate a wide range of 12-inch shallow mount subwoofers. Check out our guide to select the ideal subwoofer that fits seamlessly within our box and behind your Tundra's seat. Our subwoofer enclosure and amp rack are engineered to work together flawlessly on the rear wall of your Toyota Tundra, ensuring a professional installation. Be sure to check out our complete audio systems designed specifically for your Toyota Tundra. Check out thousands of Toyota Tundra audio installation photos, videos, and customers on our Facebook page. Our customers drive from across the U.S. to have us install our world-class audio systems. We install more Tundra audio systems than most audio shops in the U.S. combined. In many cases, we install audio systems before they hit the dealer lot and often rolled into new car financing. Stay tuned for more. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and YouTube for the latest Tundra upgrades and exclusive offers.